So I came here in January this year looking for opportunities. And really from that moment when I came to Iceland for the first time, I kind of fell in love with the country. I have a huge regard for the Icelandic people. They're smart, they're hardworking, they're just lovely people to deal with. The country is beautiful as well, of course. It kind of reminds me of northern Canada. And I just felt that there was a good opportunity for me to grow here. What we're trying to do here is not to buy something. It's not like a foreign investor coming to buy a factory and operate it for a while, then maybe shut it down and leave. I'm trying to build a company here that's going to live beyond my lifetime. It's going to be a really great, world-class company. Our interest is in being a long-term, great corporate citizen for Iceland. This is not, as I said, a sort of a normal, evil foreigner coming to exploit Iceland's riches and strip them and take the money somewhere else. That's not what we're trying to do. If they understand why I'm here, what our intentions are for long-term benefit. I wish I could learn Icelandic, actually. I'd love to, but it's a very difficult language for me. Apart from the fact that geothermal is clean and green and it's a great form of electricity, is that these plants go forever. They do not deplete like mines. They go forever. This is a business plan that's going to last generations and generations, if not thousands and thousands of years. It's a very cool business. But ultimately, this will be an enormous dividend producer, a huge cash generator. That's the nature of the business. This business does generate enormous cash flow on a permanent basis, essentially forever.
Ross, let's start by keeping this real simple. What is geothermal energy?
Well, our business is selling electricity. And what we do is we drill into certain places on the earth where there are large pools of boiling hot water, typically from 200 to 300 degrees centigrade. We drill into these pools, we bring that hot water to surface. When it gets to surface, it boils, turns to steam, drives a steam turbine. Then we cool the water, we pump it back in the ground, and the whole process basically goes forever. It's a beautiful business. It's a cheap business over the long term because, of course, you have no fuel cost. This is based on the free heat of the earth. It would be really nice, though, if the opposition to us was informed properly. It's always hard fighting opinion that's based on incorrect information. So, I think you mentioned Bjork. She could do us some facts. Unfortunately, she has a way of opening her mouth without I think understanding completely what she's saying. It's a global business, low technology risk. It's been going for 100 years. In terms of the cash flow and operating revenue, it's absolutely positive, it's strong, it's permanent. Once you have these plants running, they run essentially forever at very, very low cost. So if you can get them going, if you can support that high capital cost, you have a business that's essentially permanent and generating long-term stable cash flow. We had to use a Swedish subsidiary to get into Iceland. That's the only way we could do it legally. Now that we've actually completed the deal, we own 98.5% of that company, is we're trying to maintain a very good position in Iceland as a good company with great corporate relations with the people, protecting the environment, using Icelanders to build our business outside Iceland and give them more opportunities for jobs, strengthening their financial picture, really being a great contributor to the Icelandic economy, and, of course, that region in Iceland where the plant is located. And so this business, and this is a beautiful word, it goes forever.
Right.
Okay? This is a permanent cash-generating business.
Yeah.
Permanent. Once you get these plants up and running,
constant.
Forever. It's a true utility, a true cash generator forever.
Bye-bye, happiness. Hello, loneliness. I think I'm gonna cry. Goodbye, my love, goodbye. There goes my baby with someone new. He sure looks happy. I sure am blue. He was my baby till she stepped in.
Knowing that that's the environment, what does that mean for Altera Power then?
Well, it's a difficult business to generate renewable energy at any time. I've been doing this now for almost 5 years, and it's amazingly 5 years. And I'm somewhat chastened by the risks in the overall business and the low returns. There's a certain amount of love in it because I think it's a very good thing to do for the world, and therefore I'm very happy to do it and keep focusing on it. But it is a tough business, and I think you can see that across the space, particularly in what I first started doing, which is to try to build a world-class geothermal power company. I had no knowledge of the difficulty of drilling, the risk of drilling, like I do now. Hence, I'm expanding into wind and solar and hydro away from geothermal, because I just think geothermal is a tough business.
My